Kawasore riwruog jopuonjre KNUT onyiso jopuonjre ma pachoka mondo ket luor nyime kendo giti kod okenge mamoko mag chwalo ng'ur margi ma ok kelo midhiero. Ka oloso Kisumu, jalup jagoro mar KNUT Hesbon Otieno owacho ni tungni ma osebedo kaneno e sikunde pachoka en ma okel kod koso luor kod timbe mag aola e kind jopuonjre. Jagoro mar migawo mar nyithindo Karen Ageng'o ma bende oloso katwa kod jopuonjre Nyakach osiro chenro mag keto lai makare mag lalruok e sikunde kaka yor geng'o masira. Giloso bang' lamo e sikund sekondar ma Nyakach Girls.
We want our schools to maintain their calm. The Minister of Education has given an education calendar that should be adhered to, because immediately we waste the calendar because we want to get some off from school so that we can stay home. It is not very comfortable for the school calendar and also for the parents who have paid schools in those fees in those schools. So we are urging our students with no uncertain terms, get back to school. Concentrate on what has taken you to the schools. And if there is anything that needs dialogue, we have the teachers in the school, we have the student leaders in the school. Let them sit down and have dialogue. Dialogue is the way to go.
We have learned here how teachers are engaging positively with the students. They have channels for discipline and also channels for communication. This is one thing that I want to urge also other schools to emulate in terms of positive communication with the students, to create an environment that is safe for learning and not an environment of discomfort.